Hello everyone, it's me again, Teacher Lily at Happy Class Center. Today, let's learn about letter E sound E. Elbow, elbow. Elephant, elephant. Envelope, envelope. Egg, egg. Now, let's do a quiz. Look at two pictures here and show me which picture is egg. Egg. This one, good job. Now everyone say egg. Egg. And what's this? Yes, that's right. Envelope. Envelope. And the next one, let's show me which picture is elephant. Elephant. That's one. Good job. Say elephant. Elephant. And the last one, what's this? What's this? Okay, say elbow. Elbow. And now everyone, let's review. Let's say elbow. Elbow. I have an elbow. Elephant. Elephant. I have an elephant. Envelope. Envelope. I have an envelope. And the last one, egg. Egg. I have an egg. Good job. Thank you for listening. See you next video.